Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Alright, so let's begin. So to create a WhatsApp backup, first we need to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to tap those three dots in the top right corner. Now we can get access to the settings. Now click on chats, scroll down, find chat backup. And now there are a few things that I want to show you and describe them for you. So let's begin with the Google account. As you click in here, you can see that we have our Google account selected, and that's the Google account that we are currently logged in our settings of our device. Of course, you can add another one by clicking right in here. Click on add, simply wait. Okay, and now in this bar you need to type your phone number and simply log in into your another Google account, and if you don't have one you can also click on create right in here. And now on this account that you can see and which is selected, on this account the the WhatsApp backup will be stored. So if you want to restore that backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device. So it is crucial, so please remember about it. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but as you can see we can select the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's at backup mode. Currently, as you can see, I set it on weekly, and basically that means that each week the backup will be automatically made. And I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty cool and convenient option. You don't need to remember about creating your backup. It will be made automatically. So if you want, you can select the option that you are interested in. Below we have option to include the videos. Currently it's on, but defaultly it will also be disabled. If you enable it, you can see how many megabytes of videos will be backupped. And now on the bottom we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here, and if you create a password, basically that's the password that you need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So it's like an extra security feature, but if you forget the password, there's no other way to restore your backup. So if you choose to create a password, don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Alright, and once everything is selected, all you need to do now is to click on backup, this green button. Now we need to simply wait until this process is finished. Okay, as you can see, it has started. In my case it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. And now above the back button, a backup button, you can see how long ago the last backup was made, and also its size. And you can see if you watch on the hour that it has been made like 20 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.